To remove the wireless LAN antennas, first remove the stand. Partially remove the rear cover. In some units, you will also need to remove the fan. Carefully snap off the antenna connector or connectors from the wireless LAN board. Remove the antennas from the metal cable guide on the top edge of the motherboard shielding and the plastic guide on the rear cover. Remove the left antenna, if installed in the unit, from its remaining cable guide on the rear cover. Remove the right or single antenna from its remaining cable guides on the rear cover. Pry off the foil tape securing each antenna to its mounting location, and pull the antenna off of the unit. Each antenna has two small holes that fit over small locator pins on their mounting location on the rear cover. To replace the antennas, place the antenna down onto its mounting location, aligning the holes over their pins. Press the foil tape for the antenna down into place. Replace the left antenna, if installed in the unit, into its cable guide at the top of the rear cover if it was routed into a cable guide. Replace the right or single antenna into its plastic cable guides on the top of the rear cover. Place both antenna cables into the plastic cable guide above the motherboard shielding and into the metal cable guide at the top edge of the motherboard shielding. Reattach the antenna connectors to the board. The antenna connectors are labeled 1 and 2 and should be connected to the corresponding 1 and 2 labeled ports on the board.